UI, UX, you and me right now. 3 great companies, over 55 remote roles, and I'm going to show you where to find them right now. It's Rowan here from LoveWorkAtHome.com, helping you find work-life balance and freedom and all that awesome stuff with extra side income, work from home jobs, and starting an online business. That sounds good. Hit subscribe, smack the bell, boom. Okay, so as I said, this is the weekly feature job video, and I want to just dive straight into it. Quick question though. Which industry are you in and which jobs do you want to see more of in these weekly feature job videos? Let me know in the comments below. So let's go and check out 3 great companies. They are Kraken, which is a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange. Also Platform. You can hear me say, I love saying that. I don't know why. So this helps companies create and launch web app projects in an agile way, as you can see there. And then we have Phone Burner. Or Phone Burner, that's a terrible attempt at an accent. So these guys help call centers by providing software to make them more efficient at their, call center activities. So these 3 jobs, or these 3 companies, can be found on loveworkathome.com in the Find a Work from Home jobs page. If you scroll right down, these are this week's jobs. Scroll right down to product design and development, and you'll see Kraken, Platform, Phone Burner, boom. If you click on those, that will start to unlock the process of finding more jobs, but I'm going to show you how to find way more jobs in just a second. So the first job is UI designer with Kraken in the CryptoWatch platform. So in this role, you would basically map user journeys into flow diagrams and create wireframes, provide direction for development teams on their coding work, and amongst other things, a whole stack of cool jobs which, as a UI designer, which is user interface designer, which of course, I didn't know until about 10 minutes ago, you obviously know much more about this stuff than me. So they say they have amazing perks. We know they've got remote teams. They also mention stock incentives, flexible hours, and open paid time off policy, which is always fantastic. So this role is open to candidates in North and South America and also EMEA, as you can see here, which is, where is it? Somewhere down here. Anyway, EMEA is, I think it's at the top actually, EMEA, which is Europe, Middle East, and Africa. For those that didn't know, that's also something I learned about 10 minutes ago. So there we go. Every day is a school day. Now, if you like the sound of this company, then you can scroll, or this role, I should say, you can apply for this job at the bottom there. But if you like the look of this company, but you don't necessarily like this job, then check out all our remote jobs at yada, 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 yada. That will take you to this page where they have over 45 more remote roles in all sorts of things like client services, compliance, engineering, a whole stack of engineering jobs, as you can see, finance, IT and security, legal, marketing, operations, and that UI designer in product right down the bottom that we just spoke about. So stacks of opportunities there to work remotely with those guys. The next role that we're looking at is senior, get that out of the way, senior user experience designer at Platform. So these guys, it says down here somewhere, we design tools for developers that are set to lessen the load of developers and DevOps and allow them to focus on actually developing ideas. So if you're in the development space, then you know what that means, and that might sound awesome to you. User experience, it's just loads of remote jobs these days in this space. So basically in this role, you would be working for product managers, with product managers and supporting their design work, but you'd also be like creating and prototyping and testing and iterating on designs and working with UX research, user experience research, amongst many other things. So it's open to candidates in Europe and US time zones, but obviously that includes places like Canada, South America, Africa. So this really is a global opportunity. Now, again, if you like the sound of this role, then scroll down to the bottom here and there's an application form there. If you like the sound of this company, but not necessarily this role, then hidden in here is View All Jobs, which will take you to this page where there's another 10 jobs hidden in here. You can click on that View Jobs, or you can simply just scroll down to make it a little bit faster or easier. Remote anywhere. So things like compliance, again, customer success, design, marketing, product and engineering, sales. There's spontaneous application. I'm not sure what that is, but it sounds exciting. So you might want to click on that and check it out. The third role that we have here is UX designer with phone burner. So these guys are, as they say, a 100% remote software as a service company that serves the sales and call center industry. Now, you would be helping with things like developing UX strategy, user journeys, providing prototypes and proof of concept documents, wireframes, that sort of stuff, site architecture, but also managing a design from start to finish. It really sounded like this role was a good role to sink your teeth into, as you can say here, own the end-to-end user experience for a project. So as I said, if you want to sink your teeth into projects and really get into something, but in the comfort of your own home, then this could be a great role for you. So these guys at least touch on some of their perks, as you can see down here. Some competitive base salary, health benefits, flexible work schedule, accelerated career growth, 100% remote autonomy, work from anywhere in the world. That is loving work at home, or you know what, loving work remotely. Love work from a beach, love work from a mountaintop if you like, whatever. Love work from anywhere. Scroll to the bottom and hit this apply for this job. Otherwise, hidden down here again is view all jobs. If you click on that, it'll take you to this page. At the time of filming this video, they only had that one role, but if you check out this site at a later date, then and they've got a stack of jobs, you can click on this remote only filter and that will filter things out for remote only. It's Rowan here from Love Work at Home. As I said at the beginning, hit subscribe. Hope you can click that button actually, and that subscribes you to the channel. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.